In this video, I'm gonna show you how to showcase items on your Steam profile, okay? It's very quickly and very easy. First of all, you need to log on your Steam and come to your profile right here. So drag your mouse to your name right here and come to the second option, profile. Then you will see right here, edit profile. And I will point out that to make this process, you need to have at minimum the level 5 on Steam, okay? So click on profile, edit profile, come here on the last option, featured showcase, and select right here, items up for trade on last option. Okay, click on top and here you can select the items that you have to display on your profile, on Steam profile, okay? So select the game that you have the item, click on top and click use this item, okay? Then you make this process on our squares right here, swipe down and click to save. After doing that, you will display our items that you selected on your Steam profile. I hope I helped you how to showcase items on your Steam profile. So, if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.